How to mask text on a subject. Unlock the background photo. Take a selection tool, click on select subject and press Ctrl and J to duplicate the layer. Take the text tool and write your text. Press Ctrl and T to resize the text. Set it in a good position. Hold Alt and click on the selected subject. Now click on the mask icon. Hold Ctrl and press I to invert it. Take the brush tool. Brush on the areas you want to hide with white color. Hold Alt and drag the background layer on the top. Now press Ctrl and T to resize it to the size of the text. Hold Alt and click between the text and layer. It'll mask it. Press Ctrl and L. Drag the dark slider to the right. Now go to Filter, Blur and add Gaussian Blur. Subscribe and follow for more videos.